How to open a US bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to open a US bank account without visiting a branch, well, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a US bank account online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for US Bank. And now here on the search result, you can just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the US Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply scroll down and just click on the option labeled as open an account. And here, once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the interface like this. So here you can just click on open an account and after that on the pop-up menu you need to enter your zip code. So just enter your zip code and after that you can just click on go. And here once you do that you'll be prompted to the page where you will see the interface like this. So here you can just check this box and after that it will ask you whether you are the US Bank customer or not. So here simply give your answer and once you're done with that you can just click on continue. And now here after that on the next page you need to give your contact info. So here you can simply give your contact info like your first name, last name, and with that you can also give your email. And after that you need to simply enter the mobile number. So here I'm gonna simply enter my mobile number and here once you're done with that you can just click on save and continue. And after that on the next page, now here you need to fill in your personal details like your full name, date of birth, social security number, address, phone number and email and make sure that the info matches your ID exactly. And after that you can verify your identity and you may be asked to upload a government issue photo ID like a driver license or passport. So follow the on-screen prompts and after that it's time to add money. So here you can fund your account with a debit card, a transfer from another bank or even a check deposit. But the minimum opening deposit may vary by the account type. So review everything carefully and check the box to agree to the terms and just hit on submit. And that's it. After that you would get a confirmation email and once your application is approved, you can download the US Bank mobile app from the App Store or the Google Play Store and you can log in with your new credential and you are ready to go bank on the go. And that's it. That's how you can open a US bank account online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.